What's going on, everybody? patscosplay here, and today we're going to be opening the superior Spider-Man suit from Zentai Zone. And before we get started, if you want to purchase your own suit, make sure you use discount code patscosplay to save 15% off your order. And right now, Zentai Zone is having a buy one, get one free suit sale. And that stacks unlimited amounts of time. So if you buy 4 suits, you get 4 suits. And with 15% off, that's a lot of savings. So do yourself a favor and purchase a suit using my code, because obviously it helps me and it helps you. Help me help you. All right, let's open you up. That smells good. So something that I always do is I get my masks off of the suit. And this is so that I could do shoots where I'm just wearing this and normal clothes, or this and no mask. That way you just have a different variation of kind of suits you want to wear while still wearing the same suit. All right, so just keep that in mind if you ever want to do this. I also don't get any eye holes because I can just cut them myself and it's really not difficult. But yeah, let's look at this superior Spider-Man suit. Look at that. It's beautiful. This is one of my favorite Spider-Man suits out there. So something that I always do is I get no soles or ninja shoes on the suit itself, and that's for one specific reason. These are just water shoes off of Amazon. I think they were like 15 bucks. They slide into all of the suits that I own, easy to wash, and the kind of fabric that they are, they kind of absorb sweat, which is good and bad because obviously absorbing sweat means that they're going to be smelling like sweat, but it makes it so like you don't overheat in a suit, so that's very, very appealing to me. And also those are $15, and when you order the ninja shoes, I believe they're $15 or $18. Then you also have to pay more on border fees, so just get those and just swap them into all of your suits. It'll save you a lot of money in the long run. Because it has no real design on the back, like in the middle area, I just went ahead and got a straight zipper. If it had design, I would get the U-zipper, but since it doesn't, a straight zipper is fine. So on top of that, with all of my suits, I always just get like the default fabric. I never get like the upgraded one, just because they're comfortable, and it's not like you're in it 8 hours a day, 7 days a week. You know what I mean? You're in it for one day, even if it's slightly uncomfortable coming the 8th hour, you're not gonna wear it again till the next con or the next photo shoot, and photo shoots last no time at all. So it's really not, in my opinion, worth to get it. Just stick with the regular, keeps it cheap. I got this guy for $90, and then I got another suit for free, and then I got another suit for $90, and then I got another suit for free. So you see what I'm saying? You don't need to buy the top of the line stuff. This works, it looks good, and I'm gonna show you how good this looks right now. Time to get naked. And there you have it, there's the full suit. I think it's really, really good. They did kind of mess up on the toes, and they're kind of like pointy, which I'm just gonna have to really quickly fix with my sewing. It really won't take that long. But yeah, everything looks good. I could not see when I was just doing all that because I was too lazy to cut out the eye holes, but that's okay, all right? But besides that one thing, this suit, I think it's flawless. So what did you guys think of the suit? Did you like it? If you did, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can purchase this exact suit off of Zentai Zone. If not, make sure you use my discount code on any suit. Literally save yourself 15%, because why not? It's free money. Save it, keep it, buy yourself some snacks. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button wherever it is, and see you next time. Where am I going? Oh, I can't do the splits. Oh. Fuck. I actually had so much.